Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a mail call for you. Now before we go any further, I'm going to light the candle. Now I haven't filmed as much as I normally do because I've actually been... Ooh, bit went flying there. I've actually been out of action with flu. I've still been going into work, but when I've been getting home from work, in between looking after the children, I've been resting to try and get better. Now, I'm still not 100%, but I do feel a hell of a lot better than I did a few days ago. So I haven't been filming as much, so that means I haven't been lighting the candle as much. So you can see it hasn't really gone down much at all. But I've lit it in today's video, so hopefully that will start the ball rolling on that again. Now today's mail call is from Tiger Stacker, so it's all the way from the US, and I'm really excited to see what he has sent me. So let's get straight into it. Get the trusty 365 Days of Silver blade out. I've actually ordered something to sharpen this. Cider Soundman recommended this sharpening block, I think it's called. And it was only, I think it was only like £4, including delivery. So I've ordered that, and that should arrive very soon. And then I can get this sharpened, because although it's a really nice looking blade, you can see it's very dirty. And because I've used it so many times now, it's got very blunt. So I'm looking forward to getting that sharpened. So let's see if it's got a few more cuts left in it. There we go, straight in the bottom there. Wow, this is actually packed full with goodies. You see what I mean with the knife? You have to really dig it in, and yeah, it's not how it was when I first got it, that's for sure. Wow, look at this. There is so much stuff in here. Right, let me just put that knife to one side. And let's see what we have in here. Right, so to start with, we have Tiger Stacker's sticker. Really cool sticker. For those of you that haven't seen Tiger Stacker's channel, we will leave a link to it in today's video's description. He makes some really cool content. He goes live as well quite regularly, does collabs, like interview style videos with other people. And it's also got some really good graphics on his channel. I believe it's his brother-in-law that helps out with the graphics on his channel and all the logos and the kind of tech side of things. And he does a fantastic job. It's really impressive. And as you can see from the logo, really clean, really nice looking logo. I've got another sticker here, Dog World and You. Now I believe this is Tiger Stacker's wife's business. I believe she either trains dogs or looks after dogs. And she actually has her own YouTube channel as well. So I'll also leave a link to her channel in the description of today's video. So please do head over and check out both of these channels. The Tiger Stacker actually started his YouTube channel in the first place to promote his wife's business. So that's a really cool backstory. I'm going to pop those over there. Let's try and prop these up in the background like this. There we go. And let's see what else we've got in here. Wow, look at this. It's really full up of goodies. So we just tip it all out and then we can see what we've got. Wow, look at this. Is that everything? Let's double check. Yeah, I always double check extra carefully now to make sure there's nothing left behind. Right, okay, so we have a note here. Let's get straight into that. Oh, look, we've got some chewing gum here. I don't think you get this brand in the UK. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't remember seeing this brand in the UK. I feel like this is a US brand. So that's really cool. Right, let's pop those there. Right, okay, let's have a look at the note first. Right, okay, it looks like this is just a print off of the email that we was having a chat on backwards and forth, and it says the items that he's sent me. Yeah, that's that. And then he's added a bit at the bottom there. Let me just fold this over so we can read his his added message on here. It says, I think I found it. Hope I got the address right. Merry late Christmas, Tiger. P.S. Chew the gum into one big wad, put it on a stick, a long stick, and fish out my Silver Journeys poker chip. LOL, Tiger. Absolutely brilliant. So for those of you that haven't seen that video, I actually lost my Silver Journeys poker chip in a river. I unboxed it next to a river when I was away on holiday and actually fell into the river. So I couldn't get it out because I didn't have any like change of clothes or a towel or anything like that on me, and I had to get back to the room to check out. So that's really funny. So I've got some chewing gum to chew into a wad, put on a long stick, and I can use that to get the poker chip out. So thank you very much, Tiger. I really appreciate that. Now I'm going to put this bit of paper down here because he's actually put a list of the things he's sent me on here. So if I get stuck with any of these pieces, I can refer to the email. Now I'm not going to use this knife straight away because I don't want to damage anything here. Now I believe this might be Tiger Stacker's first time sending a parcel to the UK, because I know he was quite sort of anxious about doing it. There was a lot of backwards and forth with myself and him on emails talking about him sending me things, and he wanted to make sure it got here in one piece, and he wanted to make sure he put all the right details on the package and all the rest of it. So if that's the case, Tiger, thank you so much for taking the leap and letting me be the first person that you've sent something to outside the US. It has for sure arrived in one piece, so you definitely did that right, my friend. This knife is ridiculous. Look how tough it is. Can't wait to sharpen it. These are really cool. These are like red velvet pouches. 2 so far, and we've got a third one over here. Wow, so generous, Tiger Stacker. Oh, there we go. So it still works. It's just a little bit more effort needs to go into it. Right, okay, there we go. Right, so we have 3 red pouches. Let's start with this one. Let's see what we have. Wow, okay, what have we got here? Wow, look at this. 50-gram bar. Wow, this is so well made. Look at this. This is an incredible piece. So it's actually got Dog World and You logo on there, and Tiger Stacker's logo on there, all on the same bar. Wow, that's incredible. Who's made this then? So it says Tiger Stacker Certificate of Authenticity, made by Bunker Bullion. I've not actually heard of Bunker Bullion. I'm going to have to check that out now. Made by Bunker Bullion, 3/9 fine silver, 50 grams. Tiger Stacker / Dog World and You channel bar. Wow, that is really cool. This is an amazing piece. I can already tell without even taking it out the package how great it looks. Wow. That is a stunning piece of silver. Look at that. Is that 07 on there? You'll have to let me know how many pieces you had made. This is number 7, 2023. And this is incredible. So just looking at his email, I can see it's a 50-gram combo bar of Tiger Stacker and Dog World and You. That is really cool. That looks so professional. I really like the kind of stamped logos on there. That is a really nice piece. Thank you so much. I love that. That is amazing. Really nice bit of weight to it. 50 grams, so that's over an ounce. There's 31 grams in a troy ounce, and this is 50 grams. So you can imagine it's got a nice bit of weight to it as well. Wow, that's incredible. Thank you so much. What a stunning piece of silver. Right, let's pop that there. Put those to one side for now. We've got another piece here. Wow, look at this. This has got a COA with it as well. Okay, so it looks like it's made by the same person again. I really need to search this person and see if they've got a channel as well. So this says Certificate of Authenticity, made by Bunker Bullion, 3/9 fine silver, 1 troy ounce, Tiger Stacker channel round, double circle. Wow, look at this. It's a 1 ounce, the same logo on there, Tiger's stamped logo, and this is incredible as well. Wow, that's an ounce, but because it's quite small, you can really feel the weight of it. If you compare this to, say, an American Silver Eagle, it looks so much smaller, and that is because it's so much thicker. It's really dense. Wow, that is an incredible piece. Look at that. So you've got Tiger Stacker's logo on there. Really, really nice mirrored finish. Troy ounce of 3/9 fine silver. Wow, what an incredible piece. I've been so spoilt here. So I've got over 2 ounces of silver here already in just these 2 packages. Wow, so generous, Tiger. Really, really appreciate this. You did not have to send me this amount of silver. So, so kind of you. I mean, so there's more. Look, there's more here. So in this one, oh, we've got a different looking COA in this one. So this one says Certificate of Authenticity, made by Bunker Bullion. So it's the same person again. 3/9 fine, 1 troy ounce dog weld and U channel round. So this is his partner's channel round. So it's the same again, how it's like a button, but it's got her YouTube channel logo on it. Look at that. Dog World and You. Absolutely incredible. These feel so good in the hand. I haven't seen any channel rounds like this before. Normally when you see the channel rounds, they look more like actual rounds, but these are more like buttons. Very similar to ones that Stephen had made up for his channel. And they feel so good in the hand because they're so small and dense and thick. You can really appreciate the weight of them. But that is incredibly generous. Thank you so much, Tiger Stacker. I really, really appreciate that. You did not have to send me that amount of silver. I've got over 3 ounces worth of silver here in 1 mail call. Really, really cool. Like I said, please do show your support for these 2 channels. I will leave both the channels in today's description. Please do comment down below once you've gone over and subscribed to both of them, just so I can see who's gone over there and showed their support. I really, really appreciate it. It's a massive display of generosity, sending this amount of silver out in one go. A bit overwhelming really, but thank you very, very much, Tiger Stacker. I really, really appreciate this. I'm so glad I waited to do this mail call when I was feeling a little bit better, because I really did want to put a effort into the mail call. I didn't want to do the mail call when I was still feeling really, really rough and just rush through it, because I know that you had taken time to package all this up and get this all shipped out to me. So I hope you've all enjoyed today's video. Like I said, a little bit speechless really, because I've got some fantastic pieces here. These are going to absolutely be cherished in my stack. Really, really nice. And I'm really, really enjoying poured silver at the moment. I think because I haven't got much poured silver in my stack, I'm really starting to appreciate it. I started off stacking coins and rounds, and then I moved over to bars because I started getting bored of coins and rounds. And then now I've kind of got a little bit bored of bars, I've started getting more poured stuff. You can see I've got that from Silver Punk. This is from Pure Scottish Silver. The Gold 2 Stacker sent me. So I'm really starting to get a nice collection now of poured pieces. And I think it's really nice to have a nice selection. It really kind of sparks excitement back into the stack. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. Like I said, a massive thank you, Tiger, for sending me all of these bits and pieces. So, so generous of you. Please do head over and show your support for both of these channels. As always, thanks very much to everyone that's watched today's video. And I hope you all have a very nice day.